In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see flagged emails in Outlook. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search page. In the search box, type Outlook, then select the official Outlook website from the results. This brings you to Outlook on the web. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that, and you'll land in your inbox view. Once you're in your inbox, let's talk briefly about what flagged emails are. A flag is a quick way to mark messages you want to follow up on later. When you flag a message, it's easy to pull it back up without scrolling through everything. Outlook includes a built-in filter that shows only those flagged messages, and that's what we'll use now. Look toward the top of your message list for the filter control. Depending on your layout, you'll either see the word filter or a small funnel icon. It's typically near the sorting options and other toolbar actions at the top of the message list. Click that filter control to open the menu. In the filter menu, choose the option labeled Flagged. The moment you select it, your inbox view will refresh to display only emails you flagged. You'll know the filter is active because you'll see the filter indicator, and every message in the list should have a flag icon turned on. This view is especially useful when you have a lot of incoming mail and want to focus on tasks or messages that need attention. If the list appears empty, it likely means you don't have any flagged messages in the current folder. You can switch back to your main inbox or the folder where you usually keep mail and try the flagged filter again. Also, if you use Focused and other inbox tabs, remember that flagged messages can live in either tab, but the filter will show only the flagged items within the tab you're viewing. Switching between those tabs while the filter is on can help you see everything you've marked. When you're done reviewing your flagged emails and want to return to your full inbox, open the filter menu again and select the option that shows all messages. If you no longer need a message flagged, simply click the flag icon next to that email to clear it, and it will disappear from the flagged view. That's all there is to it. With the filter set to flagged, you can instantly focus on the messages that matter most.